Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can delete apps from your Poco M5s. For that, you want to go to the app you want to delete. So I'm going to press and hold, and then this little menu pops up and I say remove. Then it's removed from your home screen but not from your phone. So you want to go to your menu and finally Ferrando here, and then press and hold again, and then click on uninstall. Then it will ask you if you're sure to uninstall Ferrando. We say yes, uninstall, and then it's deleted from your phone. If you ever want to use the app again, you just delete it. You will just go back to your Play Store and then look for the app again, and then just click on install to use the app again. But that's how you delete apps from your Poco M5s. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye.